As an entrepreneur, I'm always looking for ways to create more money. And in my 8 years of being a business owner, I've always heard this buzzword, passive income. Now, there are a lot of things out there that promise you passive income, and I've looked into many of them. But today, I'm actually starting my first ever passive income. Now, with most passive income, it's gonna take work up front. But once we get this thing rolling, well, the possibilities are endless. Now, as a lot of you guys know, I love to be going out and about and showing you guys my day and talking about anything entrepreneurship. But today, I think I said it was like, I'm not going outside today. Today is a great opportunity to hop on the computer and show you guys how I'm gonna build a book from scratch. You do not have to be a designer. If you've got a computer or a phone, you can go and do this yourself. So that being said, today's video is sponsored by BookBolt, and we will be hopping on their software today to create a book from scratch. BookBolt 100% fits into my lifestyle. I'm constantly looking for ways that I can still live my life with my family, but make money at the same time doing it. And with this going, I could almost go do whatever I want to do for the rest of the week and still make money. And the beautiful thing about this is there's no overhead costs. I mean, it's a subscription and you're good to go. That's why I sincerely find this interesting, and I'm 100% going to put a few of my eggs into this basket. All right, now with that being said, let's hop on the computer. You guys are going to follow along as I build a book. All right, we are here in BookBolt. We are going to sign up. Now, let me tell you, this is a company that's been around for over 8 years now. So there are plenty of success stories, and they are a business that has a track record to prove. So you can choose between your newbie plan or your pro plan. You can see the prices there and all the benefits. All right, and now here we are in your homepage of BookBolt. BookBolt is like your insider scoop on Amazon KDP. Now, Amazon KDP, if you're not familiar, is where you're going to go and sell these books, right? To get your books on Amazon, whether it's a journal, whether it's a coloring book, a word search, Sudoku, whatever it is, ultimately your book is going to land on Amazon. BookBolt is the company where you go and you do your research, you find out what's selling, what's working, what's not working, and just to get ideas, to brainstorm. And the great thing is BookBolt, I can already see it. It's going to make this easy for me. I'm a very simple guy. I don't like to be overwhelmed. So you can trust me here. I'm not going to overwhelm you with everything here. We're just going to get to the bare basics, bare minimum to get you started. Now we are going to start with research. Let's figure out what can we make that is going to sell, that's not too saturated, but will produce sales for us. My son is very much into trains, and so I'd love to actually be able to create something for my son. I think that would be really cool. You can do the same thing. A family member loves to color, a family member loves to do crossword puzzles. You could be in your teenage years, or you could be in your senior years and do this and build books for your grandkids, right? Like, there is no age limit here, right? So, and look who just woke up. Did you just wake up? Yeah. All right. I'm going to make a book for you, okay?
You are?
I'm going to make you a book. All right. Go play. So we are here in the product search page. This is where you're going to see all the competition out there. Now, we can go here to categories. We are going to look at coloring books today. Click on coloring books, and you can see we've got 500 results. Our average price is right around $9, pretty middle of the road. And you can scroll down and see all the different coloring books that are out there. We can look at estimated sales. We're looking at 865 here for this book, 768 here. And so obviously coloring books are a moving book on Amazon, but we want to go a little bit deeper and try trains. Trains, 222 results. Here is a things that go. We're looking at 327 sales. So up front we can see that there's actually not a lot of train specific coloring books. So let's go to keyword search here. And this is where we can find out, are people actually looking for train coloring books, right? So let's type in trains coloring book. Here we go, search volume, trains coloring book, 4,198 searches. Estimated monthly sales, 210, and your competition score is an E. Now, you can also go to Amazon directly, type in trains coloring book, and see what pops up. 4,000 results here, so there is a good bit out there. The smaller the better. So maybe let's try trains coloring book for toddlers. And here we can see that there is 1,000 results. So maybe that's the title we go for. Now let's actually create the book. This is the fun part. Here we go, Book Bolt Studio. And here we are with the new project, okay? Let's go find a book that is Trains for Toddlers Coloring Book. So we can get kind of example. Let's just look at this one for example. So, Toddlers First Coloring Book. We're looking at this to get an example of the layout of the book, all right? So we've got 103 pages and we've got an 8.5 by 11. So that is what we are going to base our book off of. Now, our title is Trains Coloring Book for Toddlers. Trim size, we are going to go 8.5 by 11. Now, we've got different choices here. Black and white interior, with white paper, with cream paper. And then we've got colors, which is going to cost you a little more. So we are just going to go black and white interior with white paper because we're going to be coloring in the book anyways. Page count, let's just go with 100. Also don't forget here at the top, we want to do a paperback. You know, you have the options to do hardcover as well, and then you can also just work on the cover, or you just want to work on the interior. But today we want to create a cover and the interior as well. Create project. All right, so we've got our studio here. Here on the left, you can see all of the different pages. You've got your cover to start, and then onto the interior. And then you've got all your tools. Since this is a coloring book, we need to look up a picture of a train. We've got options here. You've got 2 sites. You can go and upload your own image, or you can go to Pixabay or Unsplash, which gives you your own copyright-free images. We type in trains and find an image that we like. Which one do you like, huh?
This one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this one. And there is our train to start off with. There are different tools up here. Like here we can go and outline it, and we could get an outline of the image put together. So there we are with our image. You can also go and you can add text. You can add a heading here, and you can type in whatever you would like. We'll call it train 1. You can also go here and add different shapes. So if you wanted to add a fun little shape, you could. Now, this is just a mock-up. I'm just here to explain all these different things. And then, of course, you can draw if you are handy with that. Now, here's just an example. Here's some templates that you can choose from. If you are creating a notebook or a Sudoku or a word search or any of that stuff, there's all kinds of stuff in here for you that you can just start with a template. You don't have to completely start from scratch. There's all sorts of templates in here, which is awesome. Let's go to the cover, find another image. Let's find a train.
Train.
Which train? You like this train?
Oh.
All right, let's do this train.
Like it.
There's your train. Perfect. We got
This
a train on the
there.
set. And we can go and add some text here. We'll call it Trains Coloring Book for Toddlers. Now again, this is just a quick mock-up. You guys can make this look a lot prettier. Now, you've got your book done, your cover's done. Let's say all your pages is done, just for this example. And we're going to download. Yeah. Oh, you want to come join us again? Okay. All right. You will download your current project, and it will do its thing. Now, when you get your download, you will have a folder, and in that folder, you will have everything that you need to upload to Amazon KDP. So you've got your cover, you've got your interior with all your pages. So from this point, you've got your book created. You are officially an author, and now you need to go to Amazon KDP. You are here in your Amazon KDP account. It is a free account. You just got to set it up. And here we are creating a new title or series. We are creating a paperback and English. You'll set up all of your settings here, and I'll answer all these questions. And then you will go to save and continue. We've got our details covered. Now we are here to upload our content. We are going to get a ISBN. We are a black and white interior with white paper. Make sure your trim size and all of that is right. Then we are going to upload our manuscript, which is what we downloaded earlier. And then we upload our cover. Once you've got all that uploaded, you continue through some more questions, save and continue, Fix your pricing how you'd like. Of course, make it competitive. And there you go. We have made our way into passive income. Here's what I encourage you. Don't just stick with this one book. Keep going, create more, create different varieties, see what's selling and see what works. You might not get it on the first try, but keep going. And the more you have on the platform, the higher the sales you're gonna have, right? So here's what I love about this. I just put in the work here, uploaded it, and now I'm done. Amazon takes care of the rest. I don't have to worry about shipping. I don't have to worry about printing. They take care of it. There's no upfront money. There's no risk. You're not dealing with the customer. That's all through Amazon. I can literally sit here on a snow day, create a book, and just generate royalties month to month. So that is Book Bolt in a nutshell. Are you excited to have a book?
Yes.
Yeah, you can have your own coloring book. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment in the description if you guys have any questions. Let me know what books you're creating. And we are going to enjoy the snow, huh?